Welcome, friends. I am here with one question of economics, which is important for IGNOU MEC 104 also. So, what if future generations ask us, why did you destroy the planet when you knew the consequences? What will be the answer? Sustainable development is not just an environmental concept, it is the survival strategy of humanity. So, we will learn today its principles, importance, and major challenges. So, sustainable development is the concept which refers to a pattern of development that meets present needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. The concept was promoted by the United Nations globally in Brundtland Report 1987. It aims to maintain a balance between economic growth, social welfare, and environmental protection. So, it is based on some principles. So, principles of sustainable development are first, intergenerational equity. Resources should be used carefully so that future generation can also benefit from them. Second is sustainable use of resources. Natural resources must be utilized wisely and not exploited excessively. Third is conservation of biodiversity. Forests, wildlife, water, and ecosystem should be protected. Fourth is precautionary principle. Preventive action should be taken even when scientific certainty about environmental damage is not complete. Next is number 5, polluter pay principle. Industries or individuals causing pollution should bear the cost of managing and reducing it. Next is social justice, sixth one. Social justice and equality development benefits should reach all sections of the society, including poor and marginalized groups. Seventh, public participation. People should actively participate in environmental decision making and development policies. Eighth is integration principle. Economic, social, and environmental policies should be integrated together. Ninth is use of renewable resources. Greater emphasis should be placed on solar, wind, hydro, and other renewable energy. Tenth is environmental protection. Development activities should minimize pollution and ecological damage. Now, importance of sustainable development. It is important first for protection of environment. It helps to reduce pollution, deforestation, and environmental degradation. Second is conservation of natural resources. It ensures long-term availability of water, forest, minerals, and energy resources. Third is economic stability. It promotes balanced and inclusive economic growth. Fourth is poverty reduction, encourages employment generation and better living standards. Fifth is climate change mitigation. It supports reduction of greenhouse effect gas emissions and promotes climate action. Sixth is better quality of life. It improves education, healthcare, sanitation, and housing facilities. Seventh is preservation of biodiversity. It protects plants, animals, and ecosystems from extinction. Eighth is energy security. It encourages renewable and clean energy sources for the future. Next is social. Ninth number, social equality promotes equal opportunities and reduces inequalities. Tenth is global peace and stability. Sustainable use of resources reduces conflicts and over conflicts over water, food, energy. But there are some challenges of sustainable development, which are first is population explosion, poor population, rapid population growth increases pressure on natural resources and ecosystem. Second is poverty and unemployment. Poor populations often depend heavily on natural resources for survival. Third is climate change, global warming, floods, and drought. Cyclones threaten sustainability. Next is fourth number, environmental pollution, air, water, soil, and noise pollution affect human and ecological health. Fifth is deforestation and biodiversity loss. Forest destruction leads to ecological imbalance. And sixth is unsustainable industrialization. Industries often create pollution and exploit resources excessively. Seventh is urbanization problems. Rapid urbanization causes waste management, traffic, and housing issues. Eighth is overuse of fossil fuels. Fuels dependence on coal and petroleum increases carbon emissions. Ninth is lack of awareness. People may not understand sustainable practices and environmental responsibilities. 10th, weak policy implementation. Environmental laws are sometimes poorly enforced. 11 is financial and technological constraints. Developing countries may lack green technologies and investment. Global inequalities. Developed and developing countries often differ in responsibilities and capacities. So it can be said that sustainable development is essential for balancing economic progress, environmental protection, and social welfare. By following its principles and overcoming existing challenges, societies can ensure a healthy and prosperous future for coming generations. So if you like the video, please share and subscribe. And if you like sustainable development, then you will get more important points on that. Thank you.